In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete groups in Outlook. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but with a few straightforward steps, you'll be managing your contacts like a pro in no time. First things first, let's get started by navigating to Microsoft Outlook. You should already have Outlook installed on your computer or accessible via the web. If you're using the web version, simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Outlook website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Sign in with your registered email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, go through that process as well. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Outlook. The next step is to locate the People section of your account. Look for People in the menu. This section is dedicated to managing your contacts and groups. Click on People and you'll be redirected to a new interface where all your contact details and groups live. Now take a good look through your list and identify the contact group you wish to delete. Once you've selected the group, it's important to make sure it's the correct one, as this action will remove all contacts within that group from your list. With the right group selected, move your cursor to the menu above and find the delete option. Click on it. A dialog box will typically appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the group. It's a precautionary step to prevent accidental deletions. Once you're sure this is the group you wish to remove, proceed by clicking delete again to confirm. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully deleted a contact group in Outlook. It's a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to click. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining an organized contact list by allowing you to remove groups that are no longer needed. Remember, managing your contacts efficiently is key to maintaining smooth communication. Deleting unnecessary groups can help declutter your Outlook environment, making it easier to navigate and focus on what truly matters. If you have any other groups you're considering removing, feel free to repeat these steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching and see you next time.